This feels so weird. I have not filmed a makeup anything in like 6 years. I think my numbers were wrong on that first video that I just posted. It was very dramatic of me to be like, oh, I haven't seen you all in 9 years. And I'm whispering because in case you missed it, I'm a mom now and she's sleeping. Like the little angel that she is. Anyways, I feel like you all always really liked little like chit chat, get ready with me videos. So I thought that I would show you like a little updated daily makeup routine. It is like incredibly minimal. I'm in my 30s now, so I care about my skin. I'm half asleep. I'm gonna start off with moisturizing Shiseido. Is this right? I need someone to teach me how to do this. I gotta get rid of my jowls. How do I do that? You'll be so shocked to know that I don't wear foundation anymore. Okay, everything that I'm gonna show you in this video, I'm ride or die for. I use the Lumi Glotion. Is that how you say that? So that I don't look like a corpse. I go in with some faux freckles. So, next step, just like really get in there. Yes, I know it looks like I still have some sort of rash. That's okay, we're not done yet. My little fake freckles are the thing that makes me feel so cute, so like put together, and it makes me feel like I look more natural, if that makes sense. Like I want it to look like I have just like a little glowy blush on for the day, and I kind of go in and I just like deepen some areas, like creating like little like cluster areas for more dimension, because freckles are not all the same color. I guess sometimes they are, but mine aren't. Getting sicker and sicker by the minute. Oh. It's all right. Pimple who? Pimple who? Pimple who? Actually, that made that one look worse. Blot. I'm like about to stab my eyeball out. Blot all of it out. Oh, I did get my eye that time. The heck is that? There's no telling. Please make sure you have clean hands when you're doing this. I used to literally not care. And, well, now I do, and you should too. But listen, I'm not telling you how to live your life. No, really, I'm not. We're just friends. You don't owe me anything. You really don't. You like my mixed signals? I'm not trying to scare you. Still a bit rash-like, but we're not done. It smells so good. That one up there looks okay. We've disguised him well enough. I need to get better brushes. What are your all's favorite concealer brushes? Please let me know. Goodbye, little demon. He has been taking up residency for quite some time now. Much better. Same brush. Just go in with the same brush if you want. Power of makeup, am I right? Little on the bridge. Different brush this time. Pack that just around where I'm gonna add a little bit of blush. Tropic Hues. This is like a blush and highlighter all in one. Listen to me, it is potent. And then just, I like to tap it a little up in my eyelid. And then I'll just kind of blend it out. Finished look.